Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to triggering the bountiful crops in Heartopia. This bountiful crops is so useful if you want to level up your gardening hobby faster in Heartopia, because these bountiful crops will give higher proficiency, so they help you gain gardening experience much faster than normal crops. And usually the bountiful crops will look like this. This one, it will look much more bigger than other like this. And to increase the chances of getting them, the first method is using the fertilizer. You can buy fertilizer from the NPC plant. The fertilizer like this. Where is my filter? This one. Or you can also craft it yourself. And for the basic fertilizer, you only need wheat as the materials. And another trick is watering your plants more often. Like just frequent watering can improve the crop quality. You can even ask your friends to help water your plants, which also increases the chance of getting better crops. And then your gardening hobby level also matters. The higher your gardening level, the easier it is to trigger a bountiful crop. And in here, for example, I will planting several tomatoes. Like this, and then I will use a fertilizer on one of them, for example on here, and then I will water it multiple times like this. I will water it 5 times. And while the others I only water once. And then let's wait until it's grow. Like this, you can see it when the plants grow. You might see one turn into a bountiful crop like this. It has a bigger size than others like this. And sometimes this trick doesn't guarantee it 100%, but it definitely increases your chances of getting bountiful crops like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.